Creative Maths brings you Maths made really clear with Dr Nic. Order of operations, addition, subtraction and grouping with practice examples. Hi, I'm Dr Nic from Creative Maths. In this video I'm going to explain about order of operations. Operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponents. When we have a complex expression, it can make a difference what order we perform the operations in. For example, with 4 plus 3 times 2, it could equal 14 if we do the adding first, or 10 if we do the multiplying first. In different countries, people teach using acronyms such as BEDMAS, BEMA, GEMA, PEMDAS, and a little saying about please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. In this video, we will cover addition, subtraction and grouping. Addition. When we have a series of numbers to add, we work from left to right. For example, 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4. 12 plus 6 makes 18, plus 8 equals 26, plus 4 equals 30. Note that what we say and what we write are often different. We might say 12 plus 6 equals 18 plus 8 equals 26 plus 4 equals 30, but we must never write it that way. To show our steps, we use multiple lines that are all equal. 12 plus 6 makes 18, 18 plus 8 equals 26, 26 plus 4 equals 30. It seems like overkill for just adding, but this is a very good habit to get into. Addition and subtraction. Within addition and subtraction, we work from left to right. When our expression involves subtraction, the order is very important. An example, 6 plus 8 minus 4 plus 1. We calculate from left to right. 6 plus 8 minus 4 plus 1. 6 plus 8 is 14, so it's now 14 minus 4 plus 1. 14 minus 4 is 10, so that's 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Here is another example. Try it yourself first. 14 minus 1 plus 7 minus 3. Remember, we proceed from left to right. 14 minus 1 equals 13, plus 7 minus 3. 13 plus 7 makes 20, minus 3. 20 minus 3 equals 17. Writing it out like this is a good habit to get into for when the expression gets complicated. Each line shows one step. Here are some more examples of addition and subtraction for you to practice on. 20 minus 4 plus 8, 15 plus 10 minus 13 plus 6, 50 minus 20 minus 10 minus 4, 18 plus 2 minus 7 minus 4. Pause the video and work out the answers. Show your process. The correct answers to these are 20 minus 4 plus 8 equals 16 plus 8, which equals 24. 15 plus 10 minus 13 plus 6 equals 25 minus 13 plus 6, which equals 12 plus 6, which equals 18. You can check your working. The next answers are 16 and 9. So that was addition and subtraction left to right. We will now look at grouping symbols such as parentheses or brackets. There are various grouping symbols. Parentheses or round brackets and square brackets do the same thing. Grouping symbols are used to change the order of the calculations. Say in the previous example we actually wanted to subtract 7 minus 4 from 18 plus 2. We would put parentheses around the 7 minus 4 to show that the whole expression is being subtracted. Then, when calculating, we calculate the expression in the parentheses first, so that now the 7 minus 4 is replaced with a 3. That gives us 18 plus 2 minus 3. Then we can add and subtract left to right again. 18 plus 2 minus 3 equals 20 minus 3, which equals 17. You can compare this with the same example without grouping. Pause and make sure you can see what has happened between the two examples. The rule or convention is that we calculate the expressions in groups first and then proceed with addition and subtraction left to right. If there are several sets of parentheses or brackets, we start on the innermost group and work out. Brackets or parentheses inside each other are known as nested. For example, 10 minus brackets 15 minus brackets 7 plus 4 close brackets close brackets. The innermost group is the 7 plus 4, which we calculate to be 11. Next we find 15 minus 11, which is 4. Finally 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now here are some examples with parentheses in them for you to calculate. Pause the video and do that now. I hope you paused. Here are the answers. 20 minus 4 minus 1 plus 8. We simplify the expression in the parentheses first, so 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 plus 8 equals 25. 15 plus 10 minus 1 plus 3. We do the inner group first with 1 plus 3 equals 4. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. And finally 15 plus 6 equals 21. 50 minus, and then within brackets we have two lots of brackets, 20 minus 5 minus 10 minus 4. First we look after the expressions inside the parentheses. 20 minus 5 equals 15 and 10 minus 4 equals 6. Then the expression inside the outer brackets. 15 minus 6 equals 9. Then 50 minus 9 equals 41. Next example. We have three sets of brackets here. 18 plus 2 minus 9 minus 4 plus 2 plus 1. First we look after each of the expressions inside the parentheses. 18 plus 2 equals 20, 9 minus 4 equals 5, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So now we have 20 minus 5 plus 3, which becomes 15 plus 3, which equals 18. So you can see that using parentheses changes the order in which the operations occur and often affects the final result. This example of 12 minus 7 plus 3 gives different answers depending on the parentheses. Modern calculators will use order of operations when calculating, so entering the expression as it is written will give you the correct answer. However, it is really important to know the order of operations for use in algebra and for writing expressions yourself. This is one of several videos about order of operations. Check in the description below for links to other videos and resources. This video was brought to you by Creative Maths. Please like it, subscribe and consider supporting our work by becoming a channel member. Help the channel grow and help me help more and more people like you. I am truly grateful for my channel members who help make these videos possible.